Okay, you already know what time it is. Okay, this is part 4. Basically part 3. If you look, Fiji, Thai Airways in the back. Guys, Royal Australian Air Force? What? It says Royal Australian Air Force. No way. There's a Qantas flying right now, but I can't. I have to stay focused on this. This is Royal Australian Air Force. Oh, yeah. Goodbye. Oh my god, guys. There's a Qantas Jetstar. Guys, I just noticed right in the back, you can barely even see it. It's there. There's a British Airways right there. Get off. What is that? There's something near the British Airways. I don't know what it is. And then there's a Singapore somewhere here. There's a Fiji. And there's a Qantas is coming, guys. Wow. Oh, well, that was unexpected. Yeah. No way, I'm gonna catch this flying. Oh, stupid tree. Guys, there's something. There's something. Oh. That's the one we saw. I got a Qantas. Stupid flies. No way. No way. Something else. Oh, it's a Rex. I really think it's gonna take off, guys. There's something different. Oh, that's the Royal Australian Air Force. Oh, guys.
That's the one we saw on Friday.
DHL again. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Guys, we're gonna see this flying. Get ready, guys. The DHL's coming, guys. We got a Virgin. Get ready, guys. DHL's coming. Cause it'll be over here. Guys, Qantas Link. Ooh. But I can't get distracted. The DHL's coming. It's actually pretty cool. I've only seen about guys, I can hear it. Get ready. Something's coming. Qantas Link is coming. Another Qantas Link. This one's big. This one is an Airbus probably. This one's absolutely big, but we gotta focus on the DHL. This is big. Look how big that is. Another Qantas. What? Qantas Link and a Qantas Link. DHL! That's the best moment ever. Mini Qantas Link and a big Qantas Link. What is that coincidence? see a little tiny baby. Here, Chow goes bye-bye. Way through the episode. Guys, if you look all the way down there, a Qantas fright is coming. And I can already feel winds. Guys, get ready. Get ready, guys. I think something's coming. Oh, Virgin just took off. Wow. Already going to IKEA. Another Virgin. Why are we seeing so many Virgins lately? Why? Why are we seeing so many Virgins lately? Zoom in. Here comes the Qantas fright. Here comes the Qantas terrifying. Something's taking off, guys, but if you look down there, Fiji is coming. Goodbye. Get ready. Guys, it's coming now. Get ready for this. I see a tail. Get ready. Ready? Ready, guys? Oh, it's Jetstar. What? Jetstar just landed. It is the metal. Got Jetstar. Look at that. Look how cool. But Fiji, it's getting closer, guys. Get ready. Fiji is getting even closer. Yeah. Guys, Fiji is closest. I see something. I see something, guys. Get ready. What is that? What is that? Hate something airlines. What? I've never seen that before. Wow, that's something to my airline collection then. I don't know what the heck this is. It's so mysterious, I can't even read it. Mysterious? Hawaiian? Oh no. It's gotta collide with the Fiji. It's gotta collide with the Fiji. Tenerife Airport Disaster Part 2. Okay guys, it's not gonna happen again. I see. But the Jetstar's coming. Oh no. Looks like it landed, so it's parked. The Fiji is all the way over there. Wow. Oh, I can't believe this. There's a Singapore A380 on the poster wall right there. And I actually think I see a Singapore A380 there. Fiji's coming. Get ready. Stop. There's something. Qantas Sling. Guys, it's coming. Get ready. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. That thing is huge! What is it? Airbus A350. I see why it's so large. This thing is huge! Honestly, that thing is huge! Oh, look at compared to the little baby. Oh, and it's so huge. You can see the tail and another plane. That's that too. Oh my gosh! This is a land of planes. Another Virgin. Oh no! Tenerife Disaster Part 2. Qantas just took off. That's Qantas Pride. And another Qantas just took off. Oh, Tenerife! Another Jetstar, bro. This is Sydney Airport logo. Guys, this is the first Qantas 707 by the way. Qantas A380. Oh my gosh. I think it is. Let me see. It really is. I think that is. That's a Qantas A380. A380 parking in the back. Is it really an A380? I'm gonna check that later. But farewell, guys. Guys, we got something. But bye, guys. I don't know what this is. But bye, guys. I swear I saw this bike. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, this actually really cool. It is an A380, and this is actually pretty cool.